Hello students, good morning. I am Dhirendra Kumar, Modern English School, New Area, Senior B. This is fifth part of video lecture for class 7, History. Chapter's name is Rulers and Buildings. Students, today we will study the topic region and empire. Under this topic, we will study how architectural style of one region influence others' architectural style. Student, architectural activities increased greatly during 8th to 18th century, and as architectural style spread, this started affecting architectural style of others region also. For example, elephant stubble of Vijayanagar is greatly affected or is greatly influenced by architectural style of adjoining Sultanate of Bijapur and Golconda. Student, in Vrindavan near Mathura, temples are very similar to the architectural style of Palace of Fatehpur Sikri. Students, as all of us know that Mughal Empire was very big empire. In this empire, so many regions, so many small territory were annexed by Mughal. So, Mughal rulers were greatly influenced by the architectural style of local rulers. So, this was also seen that they started adapting local architectural style. For example, local rulers of Bengal developed a architectural style that looks like thatched roof. Means local ruler of Bengal developed a architectural style of roof that seems like thatched roof. And by this architecture, Mughals were influenced. So they adapted their style. In palaces of Fatehpur Sikri, constructed by Akbar, this is seen that they adapted architectural style of Gujarat and Malwa. Student, here notice one thing. No doubt Mughal emperors were very fond of art, literature and architecture. But this is noticeable that they did not compel local ruler to implement their style. They also adapted their style, means they also adapted architectural style of local rulers. Student, when Mughal Empire became very weak in 18th century, you can say that when Mughal Empire declined in 18th century, no doubt Mughal Empire was declined. Its architectural style was so influential that rulers and people after Mughal Empire, they continued to adapt, they continued architectural style of Mughals. Students, we have seen how architectural style of one region influenced architectural style of other regions. And not only architectural style, ideas of one region was also shared with another region. Student, during 12th century in Europe, especially in France, a tradition emerged there. They started building churches which should be lighter and taller than previous church. And this architectural style was called Gothic. In this style, they constructed domes-like structure at the top of the church. They used colorful glasses which was full of pictures taken from Bible. Students, we have seen how ideas of one region influenced ideas of another region. How architectural style of one place affect architectural style of another place. That's all. Tomorrow we will do question answer. That's all. Have a nice day.